Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Francis, and welcome to Universal Channel. And today, the topic gonna be is, and I'm going to unbox a drone. Yeah, that is a HX-750 drone, a quadcopter. Yeah, have a look. It's quite beautiful. Yeah, white in color. Yeah, there is a headless mode and one key written 14 plus age. Not suitable for children under 14 or 36 months. Yeah, cautions. It's quite beautiful. Durable material made 2.4 GHz technology and wind resistance, large frequency receive, 360 unlimited version, 6 channels, 6 axis gyroscope, new generation UFO Explorer. Yeah, let's unbox it. There is two extra propellers. It's 220 mAh, 3.7 voltage battery. Yeah, lightweight. The next, there is a manual. The application instructor of remote control flying device. This is a basic version of the quadcopter, and HX-750C is with the camera board, card reader, and SD card. Yeah, HX-750C is official drone with a camera. It has even tilt and somersaults. A battery. There is a remote. Oh, pretty cool. Light in weight. Several buttons, sensitivity, and headless mode. One key return video camera. There is a not use in that too. Yeah, this is for up and down throttle for raising the drone up, and this is the movement of forward, backward, left, right. Yeah, for the tilting we need this press this button and move forward or backward, any sidewise. This is a gear changer. They are totally three gears. No, these gears are not for raising the up. These gears are for speed movements like forward, backward, left, right. Yeah, yeah, good design. Yeah, here is our drone. HX-750 quadcopter. It's nice. Yeah, it's very smooth. Yeah, it's very light in weight. There is no camera. It's written a quadcopter. Pretty stylish. Like this, push it inside. Yeah, yeah, pretty cool with the lights, the red zone and the blue zone. Okay, when you buy it, the charging time required for this battery is 40 minutes. Yeah, there is a red light in the charging cable. Here there is a red light. When you connect to the male USB, the and connect to the battery, yeah, the light on. If the once the light goes off, it is understood that your battery has been charged. Okay, let's fly it out.
Very good, Naina. Super.